What if escaping poverty isn't about luck, but about following the right principles? What if the difference between struggling financially and building real wealth comes down to how you think, earn, spend, and invest? Today, we're breaking down the powerful, sometimes controversial advice from 5 of the world's most well-known money experts: Warren Buffett, Dave Ramsey, Robert Kiyosaki, Suze Orman, and Grant Cardone. They don't always agree. In fact, sometimes they completely contradict each other. But together, they reveal one powerful truth. There are multiple paths out of poverty, but all of them require action. Let's begin. Warren Buffett, the power of patience. Warren Buffett is one of the richest investors in history, but his advice is surprisingly simple. His philosophy? You don't need to be brilliant, you just need to be consistent. Buffett believes the biggest mistake people in poverty make is trying to get rich too fast. They chase quick money, they gamble, they follow trends. Instead, Buffett teaches, start small, but start early. Even if you only invest a small amount each month, what matters is consistency. He famously recommends investing in low-cost index funds. Why? Because most people don't have the time or expertise to beat the market. So instead of trying to be smarter than everyone else, just be disciplined. Buffett's rule is simple. Spend less than you earn, invest the difference, and let time do the rest. But here's the hard truth. This path is slow. It doesn't feel exciting, it doesn't go viral, and it requires patience most people don't have. But if followed long enough, it works. Dave Ramsey, destroy debt first. Dave Ramsey takes a very different approach. He doesn't start with investing, he starts with survival. Ramsey believes you cannot build wealth on a foundation of debt. For people in poverty, debt is often the biggest trap. Credit cards, car loans, personal loans. They slowly eat away your income until you're stuck. So Ramsey created a simple system called the baby steps. Step 1, save $1,000 emergency fund. Step 2, pay off all debt using the debt snowball. Step 3, build a fully funded emergency fund. His method focuses on behavior, not math. Why? Because escaping poverty isn't just about numbers, it's about habits. Ramsey teaches discipline beats intelligence. You don't need a high income to start, you need control. That means saying no, cutting expenses, and living below your means. It's not glamorous, but for millions of people, it's the first real step toward financial freedom. Robert Kiyosaki, Assets versus Liabilities. Robert Kiyosaki challenges everything you think you know about money. His core idea, the rich don't work for money, money works for them. Kiyosaki explains that the key difference between rich and poor comes down to one concept: assets versus liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, liabilities take money out. Most people in poverty buy liabilities thinking they're assets. Cars, expensive phones, luxury items. These things don't make you richer, they make you poorer. Kiyosaki's advice is clear. Focus on acquiring income-producing assets, real estate, businesses, investments. He also emphasizes financial education. School teaches you how to get a job, but it doesn't teach you how money works. And without that knowledge, it's easy to stay stuck. Kiyosaki's approach is bold, sometimes risky, but for those willing to learn, it can be life-changing. Suze Orman, protect your future. Suze Orman brings a different perspective. She focuses less on getting rich and more on staying secure. Orman believes financial freedom starts with emotional control. Why do people overspend? Why do they stay in debt? Why don't they save? Because money decisions are emotional. Fear, stress, comparison. Orman teaches that before you fix your finances, you must fix your mindset. Her key principles:
Build an emergency fund. Protect yourself with insurance. Avoid unnecessary risk. She also strongly warns against living beyond your means, because one unexpected event can destroy everything. Her message is powerful. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Grant Cardone completely flips the conversation. While others focus on saving, Cardone focuses on earning. He believes you cannot save your way out of poverty. Instead of cutting back, increase your income. Get a second job, start a business, learn sales. Cardone pushes for massive action. He calls it the 10x rule. Set goals that are 10 times bigger and take action at a level most people won't. His philosophy is aggressive. Not everyone agrees with it, but one thing is clear: income matters. Because without enough income, even the best budgeting won't be enough. Combining the strategies. So who is right? The truth is, they all are. Escaping poverty isn't about choosing one strategy. It's about combining the best of all of them. From Warren Buffett, be patient and invest consistently. From Dave Ramsey, eliminate debt and control your habits. From Robert Kiyosaki, focus on assets and financial education. From Suze Orman, protect your future and master your emotions. From Grant Cardone, increase your income and think bigger. Because escaping poverty isn't one move, it's a system. And the moment you start applying these principles, your life begins to change. If you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because we break down complex ideas and turn them into simple strategies you can actually use. Your financial future starts with what you learn today. And this is just the beginning.